Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to how to travel to Cook's Island, which is also called Cook's Kneeling Islands. So we need to understand what visa and other things that we are going to get if you want to travel here. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Cocos Kneeling Island. Okay. Now here under the documentation. So you don't need any passport or visa if you're traveling from Perth. I'm in Australia. However, you need to show photo identification for each travel, including children, to clear custom and immigration. Means if you can reach Australia or if you are in Australia, you can travel to this place. That's the thing. And they have some more information that we are gonna go through. Okay. Now custom and immigration. If you're traveling from Australian mainland, but yes, you need to show your identification so that they can find who you really are, of course. Okay. Now coming to more, a valid passport. Okay, this is about passport. All right. Now, if you come from somewhere else, like from other location or other country, then again, Australian visa requirements will apply for this Cacos Island too. I mean, if you are from a country that does not need a visa, with non-visa, but you need an ETA, CTA. If you need a visa to travel to, like you have an Indian passport, you need a visa to for Australia. So the same visa you can go to Australia, and from there you can go to Cacos Island. Okay, so whatever you need for Australia is actually required for Cacos Island. That's what the process is. So let me know if it makes sense to you and what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.